Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a very special quarantine edition of Take 900's Kyun and Ayy. This is a series where we ask you to ask us questions and then we answer them. In this episode, we're going to answer all of your questions from home because the coronavirus pandemic has hit. We're all stuck inside. Our first question comes from the Walker Diaries. They ask, quarantine में motivation के लिए क्या करें? That's a great question. In fact, I'm going to wait till the end of this video to answer it. The next question is from Divya. She challenges me to make fantastic sentences inspired by the things around me.
And now for some fantastic sentences. Just apply some sandalwood. Cannabis, more like can of bis. Put the glasses in the glass in the glass. The evidence has been planted. Just swipe up on your tablet. My favorite color is matte black. My laptop has good specs. Just use a crowbar. Oh, it's Nikhil Kini. Oh, it's garbage. Oh, it's the Indian government. Fin.
The next question is from Naveen. He asks, God forbid, what would you do if you lost all your filming equipment? I'm going to let Suraj handle this one.
If I lost all my filming equipment, I would make videos within games. I always wanted to try it. Let me show you by answering the next question, which is how to talk or impress your crush.
Alright, step 1, get off the couch. Step 2, pick out your best pair of clothes and wear them. Step 3, walk up to your crush and just tell her how you feel.
Hey, babe.
Step 4, get rejected. Step 5, go to the barber, get a cool haircut. Step 6, go back to your crush and now tell her how you feel, but with full confidence.
Hey, babe.
Oh shit. Okay, calm down. Don't follow them like that, you're creeping them out. No, stop it. Dude, just move away. Dude, the cops are here, please run. Dude, stop it. Dude, you'll get... No! Alright, relax. Now you're out of jail. Okay, go and talk to that girl. Be calm, be cool.
Hey, what's up with you?
Hey, sugar.
Oh shit, you heard that. Alright, and that's how you talk to your crush, ladies and gentlemen. That's...
Yo, what's
Wait,
up?
what are you doing? No, don't get greedy now.
Hey, how you
Dude,
doing?
you passed. Stop
Where
it.
you're going?
Okay, you got rejected, just leave it. What are you doing? No. Dude, no!
Well, that escalated quickly. Just like Siley's question, what is your signature dance move? Pranavi asks, what is your biggest kitchen fail? Hey, I made you some food. Bhumika asks, have you ever used a pickup line on anyone? Pick up that food right now, dude. Divya asks, what is the best pickup line anyone has ever used on you? Pick up that food. God, you're so irresponsible. The next question is from Radhika. She asks, which Pokemon's meat would you eat? Well, Radhika, that's a hard question. But if I had to pick a Pokemon, I would eat Blueberry.
Clefairy. I feel like I want to start the coronavirus epidemic in the Pokemon world. Anyway, what's up, Suraj? You're at a beach flouting self-isolation rules and going to a beach.
Self-isolated in the beach.
Fair enough. I am self-isolated at a rave. At nature's very own rave.
A bunch of you asked questions about how we handle our Instagram grid.
Great questions. Let me explain. First, we come up with a theme. It could be Avengers, it could be a haircut. Right now it's Pokemon. After deciding on a theme, we make some concept sketches like this or this. Then I look through some old footage and pictures to find characters for these compositions. After finding this character, I bring them into Photoshop, cut them out, and put them onto a grid that mimics the Instagram grid. Then I start adding some props and other elements to make it seem like the character is part of the environment. When I'm happy with the composition, I take a screenshot of it and share it with Kini. And if we both agree on it, I merge the Photoshop file into one single JPEG. Then I cut out tiny squares, add some videos, and then post it.
And so the journey begins. We're going to see you over there. Wow.
And that's how it's done.
Incredible.
I agree.
The next question from Dr. Noona is, what is the best Indian adventure trip you've been on?
Best Indian adventure trip for me was Gokarna, because we had like a private beach and we almost died while swimming in the waves, and our friend's trunks came out and he was just naked floating around.
Wait. Your favorite adventure trip is Gokarna because you almost died and you saw your friend's ass.
Yeah.
My favorite adventure trip is definitely our Himachal trip. We did so many cool things. We paraglided. And we played hide and seek in the dark in Manali.
Hey, you want to play hide and seek here, guys?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's all die. I know you guys can't see shit, but I'll tell you right now, I've never been more scared in my life. Holy shit. Hey!
Told each other horror stories.
That's tattooed on your butt, no?
We actually made a playlist of all of our Himachal vlogs. You can watch them by clicking on this card up here.
The next question is from Alfia. She asks, why do nose run and feet smell?
What? What does that even mean? What does that mean? Why would you say, Suraj? What? Dude, what is happening in your video? Suraj, calm down. Where are you going? Come back. Suraj, stop going outside. There's Corona. Suraj, Corona.
The next question is from Sam. She wants us to recreate a childhood photo. The next question comes from Spirit version 2. No shave for a year or no bath for a month? Ha! Nice try, Spirit version 2, but the answer is obvious. I'm gonna not shave or shower because I'm in lockdown. I'm not even gonna flush, dude. Oh god, bro, did you forget to flush? Okay, maybe I should have flushed. I'm gonna end the video here. Well, before we can end the video, guys, I need to answer Walker Diary's question from the beginning. What am I doing for motivation during the quarantine? Well, as you saw throughout this video, taking care of the house is a lot of hard work. I no longer have the luxury of somebody cooking my food, cleaning my house, buying my groceries. I've had to do that myself over the past 3 months, and I've grown so much respect and empathy for all the people that have done that for me my whole life. There is a lot of bad, awful, terrible things happening out there in the world right now, all at once. And what are my problems? I need to clean the house, I need to cook food, and I haven't had human interaction with anybody for the past 3 months. Now, everybody's problems are important. I'm just saying, I reflected on how lucky I am, and it's made me very grateful. And by staying grateful, I'm super motivated to get through this and come out on the other side and hug my friends and be a better human. Yeah. Now we can end this video. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this kooky episode of Quarantine Q&A. The footage of the crows at the end of the video was filmed when Bombay was under cyclone threat. There was heavy rainfall and harsh winds, but the crows were pushing through to build a nest, and I thought that was super poetic. Anyways, if you enjoyed this, leave a like, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more Q&A.